Today is August 1st and this is my garden update. As you can see, my tomatoes, I started to get nice, red and nice, and hopefully it's because they're ready to be picked and not because they have some kind of disease on them. I've been dealing with bottom end rot on this tomato plant. I had to throw away like 5 tomatoes already, but this one seems to be doing good. As you can see, there's a little bit of it on here, but it's not too bad, and this one seems to be okay, so we'll see. I'm looking forward to try them out, see how juicy they are. The squash plant, well, the squash plant had a very severe case of powdery mildew, and I used a neem oil sprayed on it, but it seems like it helped for a little bit, and then the mildew will come back again. So I ended up stripping the plant from all the leaves, and I'm gonna be doing a little bit more cutting of whatever was left behind and just let the new growth come in, and hopefully keep treating the plant, and that will help. All the flowers that were coming in, the female flower were getting rotten before they even opened, so I don't know, that may be the end of this plant, but we'll see. We could try and see if I can get another fruit from this one. Herbs are doing okay as usual. My basil, started to flower, so I need to take care of that, but other than that, the plant is doing very good. And the peppers, apparently the plant is gonna start producing some pepper finally, some bell peppers. I have no peppers whatsoever, so we'll see. Maybe in a couple of weeks I will have peppers on this one. The tomato, here's another one. It's doing pretty good. This plant was also attacked by, I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was a worm or what was it that was eating the tomatoes, but now it seems to be doing okay. And now this one is turning a little bit orange, and this is a very good, these tomatoes are very sweet. This is the mystery plant. I have no idea what type of tomato that is, because it was supposed to be a cherry tomato, but it was actually ended up being a regular size tomato. And then these are the bean plants. They are not doing very well, but you know, that's okay, we'll deal with them. Seems like it started to flower again, so I may get some more pots, but yeah, so far so good. And pretty much that's my garden update. Let's go to the positive side right here. Until next time.